Hi guys, welcome to YouTube. My name is Abhinav and we are in the Disney World trip which is located in Orlando, Florida, and we are in Hollywood Studios right now and we are in the Toy Story world, and in the Toy Story world we're going to check out the Slinky Dog ride, and if you haven't seen, there's also the other ride in Toy Story world which is the Toy Story Mania, and there's also the Alien Swirling Saucers, but we didn't go on that ride, so there won't be a video for that. But in a few months before this, you probably saw the ride. And if you have little kids, that's probably a good ride. But we didn't go on that. And but so we went on to the Slinky Dog Dash. It's like a roller coaster. It's supposed to be really fun, and it was really fun actually. And the waiting ride, it was like you had to like build the Slinky Dog Dash ride, and then it was like the box, and then the Slinky Dog Dash ride is like good for little kids. It's not too scary, but it's also really fun to go on. And the decorations inside was also really beautiful, like the cardboard box, and then there's like a map of like what was there. And it was a really awesome thing. And as I said in a lot of the videos, Disney World does like a good job of making you get transported to a new world. And I love the decorations, and I bet you would love it too. So check out the ride, and hope you like the ride. Bye.
Here we go. Some of the folks might be a little bit smarter than I am, bigger and stronger too, maybe, but none of them will ever love you the way I do. Just me and you, baby, and in the year.